Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make this super soft and delicious fruit cake, also known as the Christmas cake. It is loaded with nuts and candied fruits and is very easy to make. So let's get right into making it. You will need to take a large or medium sized bowl and add in your butter and sugar. Beat them on high speed till it becomes light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape that bowl to make sure everything is mixing in well. Give it another 20-second mixing and you will know it's done when the mixture turns pale in color. It's almost white, I'd say, and the texture feels really airy. Once you have the sugar and butter mixture ready, you will add in the eggs one at a time, beating really well after each addition. Next, I'm adding the vanilla extract and almond extract. It's quite strong, so you won't need too much of it. After mixing in the extracts, I'm adding in the candied fruits and a variety of dry fruits. And the details for the quantity used here are given in the description box below. You can add in more or less as per your taste. Mix these in and give a good scrape once again to make sure nothing is stuck at the bottom. Next, I'm mixing in half of my dry ingredients which I have already sifted together. Mix these just until combined. Next, we need to add in all of the wet ingredients, which in this case is the milk. Followed by the remaining dry ingredients and mixing it in just until combined. You don't want to overbeat this batter. And here we have a fruitcake mixture ready. Give it a final scrape and pour it all in a greased, dusted and lined baking pan. I like to use an offset spatula to make the top a bit smooth before baking this fruitcake. You would now bake this at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 55 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Look at how beautifully this fruitcake has baked. The top is a bit crusty, but inside is super soft and delicious. Let it cool completely in the pan before unmolding it. Take a sharp knife and run it along the edges to release the cake if it's stuck at any place at the pan. Flip the pan over and see how easily this cake releases itself. If you like this video and want to see more such delicious recipes, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will see you all again next Monday. Until then, happy baking!